So I got the dash out so I can work on that. Yeah, well, we got the heater box out of the car because I wanted to replace a weak spot of the cooling system, the heater core right there. So the new one is already in there, the old one is right here, and the most time they start leaking right here at the top, and that's the reason why I replaced it. And yeah, so here we got the interior without the dash. So that's typical for an old car like that. There's no big wiring behind it, and yeah, it's just the interior without the dash. Now the heater box was sitting right under there, and so yeah, right here was the evaporator for the AC. There's a hole for it right there, and through this hole there's a connection for the heater core. And right here we have a nice gimmick at this car. I have never seen it before. It's a cruise control, so it's straight mounted to the gas pedal, and yeah, that is a vacuum box, and that pulls the gas pedal, and so it controls the speed. So it's really simple. Yeah, so the car has no ABS or something like that, so it gets only the speed signal out of the gearbox. And so that is the engine bay right now. I started to remove anything around the engine, got the timing belt off and anything, and started to clean it up a little bit. It's all wet right now because of all that coolant. No, but yeah, that is how it looks right now in my engine bay. So I got the camshaft out, and here are the lifters making a ticking noise, so I'm gonna replace that. The new ones are already behind the car and the parts. So yeah, so the head is really clean, and I don't think I have to remove the engine out of the car. I can get everything, and there's a new clutch in already, so it's yeah, I just get anything out here and remove anything, replace any seal and the bearing, and get it back together. Then I still have to take the intake manifold out, but I do that later. So what I'm gonna do next is I take that oil filter flange out there and the distributor and that little cap there. Then I clean it all up and repaint the engine. So that is the next step. And then for sure replace anything and get it back together. Get a new timing belt on there, and yeah, that's it so far in the engine bay. There are the wheels. They came with the car. I just repainted it primarily for yeah, to use it till I get my other wheels then. So that is from the bottom. You can see the crankshaft right there and the rods, and I'm gonna check the bearings from the crankshaft and the rods, and I hope they are good. If they're not good, they need work, and then I have to get the engine out. So yeah, there was a power steering pump. I also replaced that, and right here is the old cooling system, and I replaced all that. New water pump, new radiator, new hoses, everything gets new except for that. Yeah, that's it.